In this video, I do some dental repair work on my Harbor Freight trencher. It needs it. Meet my little friend who's going to help me do that kind of work. See, I have a broken tooth that's been welded on previously. And it can tell it's got all gobby last time it was welded on and did not penetrate the bucket. So I have to grind all this right there. I have to take all that off because it needs to be cleaned up. And I don't have a vise, so I have to do it this way. It's where I do the tooth and the bucket at the same time, grinding it to clean and getting it ready for weld. I've been able to clean up the majority of the mess left behind from the previous weld, and I'm going to clamp this using this clamp. Unfortunately, this is a woodworking clamp. I really don't want to use this for welding, so I'm going to tack weld here, tack weld a little bit here and there, and get this held in place so I can get this clamp out of the way. I don't want to destroy this clamp. This is a good woodworking clamp, one of my better ones. But it's the other one I have available right now. So even though it's not the clamp for the job, it's doing its purpose. It worked pretty well when I was cleaning off the tooth. So now it's all cleaned. It's ready to go. Watch your eyes. I have to remove the stretcher and be able to lift the bucket up so I'm not welding upside down. And that's why I get access to the bottom of the tooth. This cotter pin's really fighting me. Ugh. Okay, the stretcher is loose. I've got it lifted up so now I can see the bottom of the tooth without too much vassal, and we'll be able to get a better weld on it. hard to see the weld. It gobbed a little bit, but I think I have pretty good penetration to the bucket. Time will tell. Next time I dig it into the ground, we'll see if it holds up and does its job.
Obviously goes on the inside. Get the pin started. So, slide that over like so. It's really not that hard putting this on. I can get this off. Hello. Actually, that's the easiest way to do it. I don't know why I didn't do that before. There we go. I got grease all over my glove. Here's the hole. There's the hole. A little tap tapping. There we go. Bend this over a little bit. Won't come out. So, this trencher is back together again. Got one more tooth to break off before I have to weld it back on, and that's the original. So 2 teeth have been stuck into roots, and you go to pull a root up, it snaps that tooth right off. But that's a $300, approximately $300 bucket from Harbor Freight, and from what I understand, the trencher is no longer available, so I don't understand what the deal is that. Maybe it wasn't selling. Okay, good enough.
Well, that was short. So the job is done. Thanks for watching.